How to keep QuickBooks Online in Classic View. Now, if you're wondering as to why whenever you logged in into your QuickBooks account and you already switched um, your QuickBooks Online to Classic View, but whenever you relog in again, it gets back to default. So here's how you can keep it as a Classic View. Now, in this tutorial, we're going to need to download an extension. Now in your Google Chrome, just simply create a new tab and go to this website. That's going to be chrome-stats.com. Now you'll be landed into the Chrome Stats official site, and what you want to do is to go into the second search box and type in isri.bennett. Choose on the first one, and then from here you just need to download this extension here. Click on Classic Reports. Now choose on Download, and then choose on Download CRX file. If this is going to be the first time trying to download this, Chrome Stats will ask you to log in into your existing Google account. Simply log in or sign up using your Google Mail account. It's totally free so that you can download the CRX file. So once you've downloaded it, this is going to be the complete form of the file. So it has to be a CRX file. Now go back into your QuickBooks Online, and what you want to do is just to attach the CRX file or the extension file that you downloaded. Click on these extensions here and choose on Manage Extensions. And then from the extensions pages, make sure that the developer option is enabled. And then all you have to do next is just to click and drag on the specific file that you downloaded from Chrome Stats. Click and drag in it. And then you'll be asked to enable or to hit on OK so that you should be able to use that specific extension. Now on your QuickBooks Online, you don't have to do anything. It will automatically switch it into Classic View permanently. That's how you keep QuickBooks Online in Classic View.